Actually, there was one occasion when Prabhupada was asked, what is the goal of life? Prabhupada said, goal of life is to enjoy. You see? And all hippies were thinking that is goal of their life also. Oh, he saw Swamiji also says the goal of life is to enjoy. Of course, Prabhupada later on said that how to enjoy, you must know how to enjoy with Krishna. Actually, enjoyment is not denied. That is our natural state. And goal of life is to become happy. But we must know how to become happy. What will make us happy? If we have to know what will make us happy, we should know who we are. If we think our self-definition, self-understanding is in terms of the body, and we think that gratifying the body will make me happy, you know very well the body, the state of the body is not in our control. It may get diseased. Even if you don't get diseased, you will get old and you will die. So if your definition is in terms of the body happiness, it is bound to disappoint us. So as human beings, we are supposed to be intelligent and act intelligently and understand that this is not my situation. But this knowledge, we cannot figure out ourselves. Maya mugdha jiva, nahi swata Krishna gyan. That's the sad part. We cannot figure out ourselves. I will try to find out myself. No, we cannot figure out. So Krishna, Jivera Kripaya Kaila Veda Puran, and hence the Lord has created Vedic literatures. Without the help of Vedic literatures, we cannot know what is our position, what is the situation, what is this world about. So that way, one has to be very blessed to get the right understanding. But what happens, even in our country, there are so many philosophers and all of these, and they read, even there are scholars of Vedic knowledge, even they miss out. In fact, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says one should not read too many books of philosophy. Bahu shastre, bahu vakye, chitta brahmahaya. There are many philosophers, many scholars, they read lot of shastra, and when you read too many literatures, bahu shastre, bahu vakye, even reading too many shastra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is pointing out. Bahu shastre, bahu vakye, chitta brahmahaya. Your mind will become bewildered. Sadhya sadhana shreshta nahaya nischaya. What is the sadhana? What is the sadhya? What is the goal of life? What is the process to attain that goal of life? Sadhya sadhana shreshta. What is the highest thing in this? What is the highest goal of life? What is the process for attaining the highest goal of life? Sadhya sadhana shreshta nahaya nischaya. You will never be able to ascertain. You will be bewildered, you will be confused. The reason is, the Shastras have a unified vision. They have one goal. It is not that the Shastras have different ideas, different philosophies are there. No, it has got one pointed, focused goal. But we need the help of a true person who has realized that to come and explain to us. Just like the dharmasya tattvam nihitam guhaya mahajana yena gatha sapanta. Otherwise we will get confused. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in his discourses to Sanatan Goswami, Rupa Goswami, other 6 Goswamis, and other occasions, this is how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu clarified, yes, there are many, many Vedic literatures, because these Vedic literatures are all helping one to understand Krishna. But because the living entities are in different kinds, levels of consciousness, they need different treatment. Just like in a university, there is school, preschool, school, middle school, high school, college, postgraduate. Why? Because there are students of different levels of understanding. And so there are many, many textbooks, many, many educational institutions. According to the age, according to their level, according to their aptitude, they go to one institution. Now, this clarity of what is all this Vedic knowledge about, this is called Shastra Yukti.